Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this smartphone. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's blue. That means that location is definitely on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same icon. If you want to, you can always go into settings as well, scroll down from the top, click on location section and manage location of your smartphone by tapping on the switcher over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!